Hi, I'm Jose, the CEO of Brand Virality, and in this video, I want to quickly show you what Blog Autopilot is and why today it's almost impossible to stay visible online without something like this. Right now, if you want to rank on Google, appear inside ChatGPT answers, or be discovered across modern AI search platforms, you need consistent, high-quality content. The problem is that creating and planning content manually every week is extremely hard. It takes strategy, writing, scheduling, and ongoing optimization. Most businesses simply don't have the time or the team to do that. That's exactly what Blog Autopilot does. It plans, creates, and publishes expert-level articles for your brand automatically. So your website keeps growing in visibility while you focus on running your business.
Everything starts during onboarding, where we learn about your business, your logo, your ICP, your competitors, and how your brand should sound. Here inside the business profile, you can see how that information lives inside the system. This context is what allows Blog Autopilot to generate articles that actually match your audience instead of producing generic AI content. The platform understands who you want to attract and builds your content strategy around that. Once that foundation is set, the system begins generating articles automatically. Here in the articles section, you can see all the content created for you. These are not random posts. Each article is part of a larger strategy designed to make your brand look like an expert on the most important topics in your market, which helps search engines and AI platforms recognize your authority over time. If I open one of these articles, you can see that everything is fully editable. Even though Blog Autopilot writes the content for you, you always stay in control. You can change titles, edit sections, or publish whenever you want. Some people like to refine things, but many simply let the system run fully on autopilot. If you ever want to create something yourself, you can click New Article and either write manually or generate a new article with AI. But the goal is that you don't have to think about what to write next, because Blog Autopilot already handles the planning behind the scenes. Now let's look at the calendar. This is where you can see the automation working. Articles are scheduled ahead of time and published automatically, so your blog grows consistently without you managing anything. Instead of guessing when to post or worrying about frequency, the system keeps everything moving for you.
Inside domain and routing, you can connect your own domain or use our hosting. There's no complex setup. Just connect your site and your articles go live automatically. And finally, here in Look and Feel, you can customize the design of your blog. Choose a theme, add your logo, adjust colors. Everything is built so your blog matches your brand without needing designers or developers. So instead of trying to keep up with content manually, which today is nearly impossible if you want real visibility, Blog Autopilot does the heavy lifting for you. It builds expert-level content, publishes it consistently, and helps your brand become visible on Google, inside AI chats, and across the modern web, all running quietly in the background. That's Blog Autopilot. Thanks for watching.